Hello, everyone, and welcome back. This is Calm English Talks, the place where learning English feels peaceful, slow, and possible. I'm Maya.
And I'm Daniel. And today, we want to talk to you gently.
Not like teachers, not like experts, but like friends who understand how hard learning English can feel sometimes. Daniel, can I ask you something honestly?
Of course. Have you ever felt tired of English?
Not lazy, not bored, but deeply, quietly tired.
Yes, many times. There was one evening I remember very clearly.
I came home after a long day. I was already exhausted, but I told myself,
Daniel, you must study English today. So I opened my notebook. I looked at the page.
and suddenly my mind felt empty.
The words looked strange, like they didn't belong to me.
I read the same sentence again and again.
But nothing stayed. Have you ever felt that? Like your brain is closed? Like a door that refuses to open?
Yes, many learners feel that. And what did you do?
At first, I felt angry. I thought,
Why am I so slow? Why do others learn faster? Why is English so hard for me?
and then I almost closed the book forever.
That thought is very dangerous. The thought that says, maybe English is not for me. Because when we think that,
We don't just lose English, we lose confidence, we lose belief in ourselves.
so Daniel, what stopped you?
Something very simple. I made tea. Just tea, nothing special. I sat quietly.
And I stopped fighting my mind. And slowly, I asked myself one question.
Why did I start learning English?
And suddenly, I remembered, not grammar,
Not tests, not textbooks.
but my real reason.
I wanted to
Speak without fear, understand people from other countries,
travel with confidence, help my family, and most importantly, feel proud of myself.
and when I remembered that, something inside me became calm again.
Maya, can I tell you something my teacher once said?
Yes, please.
She said, when learning feels difficult, your brain is growing.
At first, I didn't understand, but later I realized
Easy learning doesn't change you.
struggle changes you, just like exercise. When muscles feel pain,
They are becoming stronger, and English works the same way.
learning English is not like driving on a clear road.
It's more like walking in fog. You cannot see far ahead. You only see a few steps.
And sometimes you feel, I'm not moving, but you are. Every day, quietly, slowly.
Many learners feel something they never say aloud.
They study, they listen, they watch videos, but inside,
They whisper to themselves, why am I still not fluent?
that silent question hurts deeply because it feels like effort has no result.
But here is a gentle truth. Progress is often invisible.
Like a seed growing under the soil, you cannot see it, but it is alive.
Working quietly, preparing to rise, and one day, suddenly,
You understand a sentence you never understood before.
and you realize, I was growing all along.
Maya, can we talk about something important?
Yes, rest. Many learners feel guilty when they don't study every day.
They think, I failed today. But rest is not failure. Rest is part of learning.
Just like sleep is part of life. A tired brain cannot learn. A calm brain learns best.
So, what should learners do on difficult days?
Not big things, small things. Listen to one sentence. Repeat one word.
Think one thought in English. Even 1 minute matters. because consistency is stronger than intensity.
Daniel, what about fear?
Fear is everywhere in language learning. Fear of mistakes.
Fear of wrong grammar, fear of being judged, fear of laughter.
Yes, but fear has a secret meaning. It means you care.
If English didn't matter to you, you wouldn't feel afraid. So fear is not an enemy. Fear is a sign of growth.
Dear listener, let's give you a small challenge today.
Just one. Say one English sentence out loud. Only one.
In your room, in front of a mirror, or quietly to yourself.
Then smile, because you tried, and trying is courage.
Sometimes, when learning feels too heavy, people find strength in faith.
Trusting that effort matters, believing that no effort is wasted, knowing that even slow progress
Is still progress, and this belief brings peace.
Listener, please remember this clearly.
You are not stupid. You are not slow. You are not failing. You are learning.
And learning takes time. Millions of people around the world feel exactly like you.
The same frustration, the same doubt, the same hope.
You are part of a huge family of learners, and in this family, no one walks alone.
And maybe today feels heavy. Maybe you feel tired. Maybe you want to quit.
If so, don't decide your future today.
Just rest, breathe, and continue tomorrow, one word at a time, one step at a time. I'm Maya.
And I'm Daniel, and this is Calm English Talks. We believe in you, always.
Welcome back. Take a slow breath. Relax your shoulders.
Let your mind become calm, because English grows best.
In peaceful hearts, not in stressed ones. Daniel, can I ask you something personal?
Yes, of course. Have you ever had a day
When even opening an English book felt impossible?
not difficult,
Not boring?
but emotionally heavy?
Yes, I remember one very clearly. It was late at night. The house was quiet.
Everyone was asleep, and I was sitting at my desk. My book was open, but my heart was closed.
There was a voice inside my head saying, "You are too slow.
You will never speak fluently.
You started too late."
You are not smart enough.
Those thoughts felt so real, so strong, so convincing, and I almost believed them.
Maya, do you know something important?
What?
Those thoughts were not facts,
They were tired thoughts.
and tired thoughts are not true thoughts.
They are like clouds,
Dark,
heavy.
but temporary.
They pass, always.
That night, I almost quit. I almost closed my book forever.
But then I told myself something simple. Do not make big decisions on tired days. Just rest. Just breathe. Just wait. And I did. I slept. The next morning,
Everything felt different.
the same book,
The same words.
but a different mind. And I realized something powerful.
Sometimes we don't need to quit. We just need to rest.
Many learners think progress must feel exciting, fast, visible. But real learning is quiet. It happens deep inside your brain.
Slowly building connections, like roots growing underground.
You cannot see them, but they are becoming stronger every day.
Daniel, what do you think learners misunderstand the most?
They think fluency comes from big actions, long study hours, perfect grammar, difficult books.
But fluency actually comes from small daily actions.
One sentence, one word, one moment of listening. These tiny pieces slowly build a strong foundation. Many learners feel angry at times.
They say, I've been learning for years. Why am I still not fluent? But time is not your enemy.
Time is your partner. It is working with you, even when you don't feel it.
Even when you don't notice it, time is helping your brain grow.
Maya, can I share something honestly?
Always. Sometimes I feel ashamed when I speak English.
Especially when people speak fast or when I make simple mistakes.
I become quiet. I stop talking. I hide.
Many learners do this. They think they must wait until their English is perfect.
Wait until they feel confident. Wait until they sound like natives. But here is a gentle truth.
Your English does not need permission. You don't need to wait. You can speak now.
With mistakes, with simple words, with a shaking voice, because communication matters more than perfection.
Another painful thought learners have is, I don't sound like a native speaker.
But listen carefully. You are not learning English to become someone else.
You are learning English to express yourself. Your English is international English.
It doesn't need to be perfect. It only needs to be clear and honest, and that is enough.
Comparison is one of the biggest enemies of learning. When you compare yourself to others,
You only see their success, not their struggles, not their doubts, not their failures.
every fluent speaker you admire once struggled like you, every one of them.
Do you remember your most embarrassing English mistake?
Oh, yes. Once I said, I am very boring today, instead of, I am bored.
Everyone laughed. I felt terrible, but I never forgot the difference after that.
Mistakes stay in memory longer than perfect sentences. They teach deeply.
They teach strongly. They teach permanently.
Many learners wait to feel confident before speaking, but confidence does not come first.
Confidence comes after action. You speak first. You try first. You risk first.
Then confidence slowly follows, like a shadow walking behind you.
Listener, please remember this. Weak days do not erase strong days. They are part of the same story.
Learning is not a straight line. Some days go up, some days go down, some days feel flat.
All of them are normal. All of them are necessary.
Daniel, what saved you when you almost quit?
My reason, my why, not grammar, not vocabulary, but purpose.
I wanted to connect with people, understand the world, express my thoughts.
Help my family. Your why is stronger than your fear, always.
Sometimes learners feel alone, like no one understands their struggle. But look around the world.
Millions of people are learning English, feeling the same doubt, the same frustration, the same hope.
You are not alone. You are part of a global family of learners.
And in this family, everyone understands.
If English feels heavy today, put it down gently. Rest. Breathe.
Calm your mind, but pick it up again tomorrow.
Because progress does not require perfection. It only requires continuation.
You are stronger than you think. You are learning even when you don't feel it.
And every small step is moving you forward. I'm Maya.
And I'm Daniel, and we believe in you. Always.